Today we're jumping into a topic that came straight from you, our listener. Magnesium and anxiety. You sent over some really interesting sources, all asking, can this mineral actually make a dent in anxiety symptoms? So that's our mission. We're going to unpack how magnesium might work, look at the different kinds you can get, talk practical stuff like dosage, safety, and really connect it all back to overall well-being. It's clearly a vital mineral. Let's get into it.
Yeah, it's fascinating stuff. What really jumps out from the research you shared is just how, fundamental magnesium is. We're talking about an essential mineral, right? Involved in, get this, over 300 different enzyme reactions in the body.
Wow, 300. That's huge.
It really is. Think of it supporting everything. Muscle function, nerve function, blood sugar control, your immune system, and definitely mood regulation. Its reach is just incredibly broad.
Okay, fundamental, I get that. But the specific leap to anxiety, how do the sources connect those dots?
Well, that connection is actually pretty well established in the research. Magnesium seems to directly influence neurotransmitters.
The brain's chemical messengers.
Exactly. Those messengers that play key roles in anxiety, depression, mental health generally. Magnesium helps conduct that whole orchestra, so to speak. And the articles you sent also touched on something interesting, how magnesium might help regulate cortisol.
The main stress hormone.
Right. Now, we definitely need more research there to be certain about the mechanism, but the initial findings are promising. There's also some work, mostly animal studies so far, but linking magnesium to melatonin.
The sleep hormone.
Yeah, vital for sleep regulation. So you see, it's potentially working on multiple fronts.
Not just one thing, but hitting a few related pathways.
Precisely. And here's something your sources really highlighted, which I think is crucial for anyone dealing with anxiety. This idea of a vicious cycle.
Okay.
So when you're stressed, your body can actually use up or change its handling of magnesium. This could potentially lead to lower levels, maybe even a deficiency.
It's a deficiency.
Could then make the anxiety worse. It creates this nasty feedback loop. Stress uses magnesium, and then the lack of magnesium makes you more susceptible to stress.
That makes so much sense.
And then there's the sleep connection, right? Anxiety obviously makes sleep difficult.
Oh, yeah. Tell me about it.
And poor sleep just fuels more anxiety. It's another cycle. Interestingly, studies often find that people who sleep better tend to have higher magnesium levels.
So helping with sleep could be another way. It helps with anxiety overall.
It's a very plausible pathway, breaking that cycle of anxiety and sleeplessness.
Okay, that vicious cycle concept really drives home why this isn't just some minor detail. It seems potentially core to the stress response.